And today, on Nature World, we see the fascinating species of Pigeons invisibilibus. Let's take a closer look. Come with me. Come faster with me. As you can see, they're unfazed by the human species as a whole, but when in danger from a predator, they have the amazing ability to disappear. Let's take a closer look. Faster, take a closer look. Now we will watch them as they disappear. Supposed to keep the camera. As we see, they have amazingly disappeared and appeared in a different location. Perhaps I'll name them Pigeons Delapordicus.
Dun 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 dun.
That's shit camera work.
It's because it's so zoomed. Look at him bob.